Hello guys, today I'm here to explain Cambridge Igcse Ict 2020 February March paper 2 database part, that is task 3. So according to this question paper, they said you are now going to prepare some reports for the company. These are based on tables containing data about customer and engineers. Engineers can be qualified to service gas, electric, and or air conditioning system. Make sure all currency value display the same currency symbol and are set to 2 decimal places. Dates are to be imported as day, month, and then year. So here they said, using a suitable database package, import the file. So it means first of all, you need to create a database first. So I'm going to click on access, and then I'm going to give the name, a proper name to my database, and will choose the destination or the location where I want to save my database. So on the desktop, I have created already a folder with the name 2021. We'll just save it here. After that, we just click on create. Database is created. So close this table. We don't need this one because we need to import a table, and that table is M2120 customers.csv. So get external data. When they tell you CSV, it means it's a text file. Then click on browse, desktop. We have the source files, yes, and customers.csv. Just click on OK. Then first step to click on next. Second step here to first row contains field name, next, and then click on advanced and look for the data types with the field names. So here we have title, given name, family name, text, and customer number is number. So these three are text and this one is number. Then after we have street address, city, postcode, email address, and telephone number, all of them text. All of them text. So we need to change this one to text as well, as they said. And then after scroll down, then we need to check for date and time, service, and session text. So these two is text, that is date and time, and then long integer, it's a price, so we can have long integer even. And then after they said engineer reference is text. Make sure that it is DMY according to your file here. Just click on OK. Then I was talking about this date and time. You need to check this date here. If the date is first date, month and year, then you should select here as well DMY. If it is here month, date, year, then you can select here also month, date and year. So you should take care about these small minor things. Just click on OK. And next, now we need to choose our primary key, and our primary key using appropriate from the table. So we just need to, they said here, customer number, a unique reference code. So means customer number is our primary key. Then just click on next, finish, and then close without saving the import steps. It is here. Now right click, just view or open that how it look like. So as they said, in some points a value, just price, it must be in a symbol, currency symbol with 2 decimal places. So right click and then design view. Then the price is currency, format is currency and 2 decimal places. Just save and view now. So if it is 2 decimal places, then it's okay. Then just click on OK, close. Let's move forward. Now here they said take screenshot evidence to show the primary key, field names and data type used in the table and paste this in your evidence document. So right click and design view. Yes. So you see here we have this field names with the data type. So what we need to do is we need to take a screenshot so which will show the field names and data types. So we just need to take a screenshot here by clicking print screen button and then just click on close this one, minimize and open your evidence document which is here. Yeah. In this evidence document we will just paste this one. I think so this is our evidence number 4 or 3. Well, we just need to check once. Yeah, evidence 3. Just click here and paste it. Then click on the picture and then crop it because we don't need the unnecessary part of this table. Yeah, this is enough. And then this is here. Okay. So if you have a look here, yes, we have already cropped the picture, but in this view, the last field is not clear. So if it is not clear, you go to your Access database, right click, then click on design view and just for time being minimize this ribbon here so that all the field names are clearly seen. Just print screen now and then right click, close all. Now click here and now uncheck this one so that you can have a clear view here. I mean your screenshot will which shows all the field name with the data types. Make sure that your table name is not cropped. Yes, like that. Now you can see now your all details are here with field name, data type and primary key is also seen here. We need to import one more file called M2120 engineers. So just go to our database, get external data text file, then we will import this file also. Next, first row contains field name. Next, now you need to check the data types. So in this case, you check the data types. Engineer number, first name, last name is text, then the rest of 3 values, gas, electric and air con is yes or no, means Boolean logical. Yeah, choose from here, yes, no, and yes, no. And then the last one is text. So it is text. Now here is DMY. Just click on OK because we don't have any date and time here. Click on OK. Next, choose your primary key. So your primary key according to them is your engineer number. Next, finish. Then just click on close. Right click and design view. Here you have to choose here yes no as well. For this one also it's already yes no, but you just need to click here to choose yes no as well. This one also, yeah, save and view. So this is done. This is our second table that we have already imported. Just cross check if everything is okay with your tables. Yes, but this format of date we need to fix this one as well because they have mentioned earlier here that the date and time must be the date must be in the format of this one. Yeah, date, then the month name, and then January. So we just need to click here and just click on date, and then choose from here format, and then choose here this one. Yes, you don't need the whole name of the year, just 2 digits are enough. Just save, close. Now our both the tables are imported successfully. Next step is here. Take the screenshot of this table as well, the one you have imported just now. Design view, yeah, print screen, and close this one, and just paste it after evidence 4, and then crop this one as well, so unnecessary part of the picture is cropped. Yeah, and then just crop this one, click here, and then maximize this one. Yeah, that's done. After that, the next step, they said, now an engineer has joined the company and a record of their personal details and skills need to be entered into database. Create a user-friendly columnar data entry form and use it to enter this data as a new record. So if you look at this one is for the data entry form for the engineers. So we just need to click on engineers and create a data entry form, a simple data entry form. Yes, and then just click on new record and enter the information here. Yeah. So what are the information as they said? E27, E27, first name is Ivan, then after one, Barrett, B, yeah, then after yes, this one is yes, then no, and GR, just copy this one and paste it there, yes. So after that, you just need to click on save, so this record save, or otherwise you just click on next. But you just go through the question paper. They said take screenshot evidence of the form with the new record displayed on this and place this in your evidence document. So it means you need to take screenshot of this one and then just click on next, so the record is saved. And now paste the evidence in evidence 5 and just crop the unnecessary part of this picture like that and make it bigger so that it is very clear for the examiner to check the form with the data entry. You can even make this one smaller, but before this you have to go and check in database, so it's okay even. Now here, create a one-to-many relationship between engineer number in the engineer table and engineer reference in customer table. So it means we have to close this one and save it and save the form as well. So this is our form. Yeah, yes. Now database tools, relationship, add both the tables and engineer number with engineer reference here in the customer table. Yeah, so this is one-to-many relationship. Create, double click here and put this one here, and then print screen, because they will ask you later on to save, to play, paste the evidence document relationship type. So we just need to go to evidence number 6 and paste the type of relationship over there. So format and crop again. Why I'm cropping always? So that we can make the screenshot bigger, so that the examiner will easily find out the information in the screenshot. Fine. Next step is step number 14 here. They said using fields from the customer table. Produce a tabular report. Whenever they ask you to produce a report, make sure that you produce query first. When you create a query, then it is always very helpful to produce the specific result, because they told you here select only visits on the date 5th March 20. So it means they are asking you to extract the specific data which is on 5th March and 2020 from the customer table. They don't need all the data. So in this case, I'm going to click on customer, create query using wizard, and I will select all the fields from the customer table. Next, next, modify, and I'm going to name it, for example, question number 14, and then just click on finish. Yes. First of all, I'm going to separate the people, those who visit on 5th of March. So I will just go to the date here, yes, and just click on and enter this data. Save and run. So you see here, the people, those who visit on 5th March, they are the one only appearing here. You don't need anything else to do here. They don't ask any other extraction. Now, after doing this step, you just click on close, and now start creating the report by using wizard and choose the fields accordingly, like customer number, then title. So first is customer number, then title, and then after we want family name, then street address, then we want postcode, postcode, telephone number, then we need date, session, service, then we need price and engineer reference. That's all. Then in this order, with data and label displayed in full, do not group the data. So we are not going to group the data. Next. And they say, look, do you want to do any grouping? No. Next. Now here they ask us that sort the data into ascending order of engineer reference and ascending order of session as well. So first of all, ascending order of engineer reference, then session. Next. And here they ask us to have the page orientation landscape. I will choose landscape. Next. And what title you want to give to your report. So you see daily service visits. You just choose this one. Yeah. And have this one your heading here. I'm going to preview the report. Let's see how it look like. If there is something to be fixed, like you see these fields are not clear, these fields. So right click, layout view. I'm going to move this one to the beginning of the, yes. And then after, I'm going to decrease the column size so that it can help us to fit all the data on this single page wide. So we need to fix this one only, customer number. Yeah. And then after title is also fixed here. And family name. Yes. Make sure that not a single name is cropped or left. So just try to arrange everything. Yes, like that. Postcode. then telephone number, and date, and service, then I guess we have price. That's all. So make sure all the data is clearly seen. Yes. Now here they said calculate the total price charged and display this as currency below the price column. So in this case, you just need to right click here on the price column. Yes. So select this one, then right click. Then we have an option called total. So just click on sum. So we got the total here at the end, and then right click because we need to has a label daily total. So we want the daily total label to the left. So right click, set caption, and just remove this one and write this daily total. And then after this said has your center number, candidate number on every page. So right click, design view. So just get a label from here, and in the page footer, your name, center number, candidate number. So name, then center number, then candidate number on every page. You can make it bigger so that it's clearly seen. Yeah, that's it. And after that, they said save and print your report. Now your report is ready to print. But before this, here they said placing your evidence document a screenshot showing the formula used to calculate the daily total. So it means you need to take the screenshot of this point. Yes, print screen, and then go to your evidence document, evidence 7, just paste it, and then you just need to crop the whole picture and just leave this point, the daily total, because the examiner is only interested to see the formula only. That's it. Click here, and now you can make it bigger. So that is daily total, sum, and then price. That's it. And then they said print the report. So when you're printing the report, just click here, print preview it, and then you just print it. So 1, 2, so total 2 pages, and all the information is here. So you just need to print it. This is what they said in report number 1. Okay, save, close this one. Moving towards the last step here. In this last step, they ask us again to create a report, and this report should include the fields from both the tables. So whatever they mention here, which field, we will not go through it first. Important thing is here, select only the records, means we need to extract the data. So I'm going to create a query. As I said earlier, whenever they ask you to produce a report, make sure that you produce query first. So create a query by using query wizard, click on OK, select all the fields from customers table, then from engineers table, then next, modify, and that is my question number 15. So just click on finish. Now what they want us to do here, select only the records where the postcode starts with PE. So postcode. So postcode is here. Start with PE. Whatever comes after it doesn't matter. So what you have to do, PE, and then type here star. It means whatever comes after PE doesn't matter. but the first two digits must be PE, and then after session is AM. And then we have session here, that is AM. Capital, small, doesn't matter. And then after service is G or GE. So G or GE. Save and run. Let's see what will happen. So postcode start with PE, G and GE, and session is AM. Now just click on close here, and now click on your query and start producing report from it. And choose the field as they said. First of all title, then family name, then after they want customer number, street address, then they want postcode, date, postcode, date, session, and then they need service, first name, last name, service, first name, last name, then they need gas and gas registration number, and then after they need, that's it. In this order, data and label fully displayed, no grouping of data. So just click on next. Yes, next. No grouping of data. Next. Now sorting. Is there any sorting? Yes. Ascending order of last name. So we choose ascending order of last name. Next. And we need the orientation of this one to be landscape, as they said here. So landscape. Next. And then if you want to give a proper name, yes, the title is morning gas service schedule. Just paste it here. Just preview it. Let's see how it look like. This is how it look like. Again, we need to fix some part of this report because some data is not clearly seen as they are not properly arranged. So we need to arrange them first, each and every column. So data and the label is fully visible. As you can see, I'm just selecting both label and data. Yes, just need to date, session. Now service need to be fixed like that. Then the first name, then after the gas field. Yes. Now we need to fix this one as well. And then the gas registration number. So now they are fit in one page. Now they said calculate and display the bottom of the report. At the bottom of the report, the number of visits for this session. So we need to count actually number of visits, yeah, for the session, and display a label engineers visits to be made. So we just need to copy this one from here, and session, we just click on session here, then right click, total session, count records, and then set caption to the left, and just type here the label as they said, engineers visit to be made. That's it. And then after they ask you to include the heading, we already included this heading, morning gas service schedule. and then after display your name, center number, candidate number at the top right of the report. So right click and design view, get a label from here, and the top right of the report, just write your name, then your center number, then your candidate number. That's it. Print preview it now. This is the final report and it is ready to print now. It consists of only a single page. And then after this save and print this report. So we'll print it, and after that place in your evidence document screenshot showing the formula used to calculate the number of visits for this session. So right click, design view. This is the formula here. Just need to extend this one so that we can see. Yeah, here you just need to type here session. Yeah, session, and just put bracket here, and then just print screen. Yeah, and then you just paste this one and print the report. Yeah, save the changes and then go to your evidence document and place the screenshot of the formula that you have just, but you need to crop the unnecessary area of this image as well. Yes, till this point. Yes, and then after crop this one from this point, sorry, till here. Yes, just click here, and yeah, so this is count and section, engineers to be made, visits to be made. That's it. Save your evidence document, and that's all from database part of this question. Next we have mail merge. We'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something in this lesson. Thank you.